Hello. Let's make the player move to the right and left. So if the A key is pressed, the horizontal speed should be negative, and if the D is pressed, then it should be positive. The initial speed equals 0. Now we want the x value to be affected by the speed x. We also need to set the speed x back to 0 if none of the movement keys are pressed. Now there's a little problem because we can move out of the game stage. Let's fix it with a few checks. This x plus this size is equal to the x position of the player's right edge. So we need to compare it to the Windows right edge and reset it if necessary. For the left edge it's a bit easier. As you can see, now the player cannot go out of the stage. Now I'd like to allow the player to jump onto the platform. So I'll implement the check collisions method on the player. Let's assign the platform to a p variable. To figure out if the player and the platform are overlapping horizontally, we need to compare the adequate edges. If they do overlap, then let's set player's Y position to make its bottom edge touch the upper edge of the platform. Also, let's reset its vertical speed and acceleration. So we also need to check if the player did fall on the platform. Now it works quite fine. But to ensure that the player actually falls on the platform, we also need to compare the vertical positions from the previous frame. So the player's bottom edge in the previous frame should be over the platform's top edge, and then it should be under. Let's fix those missing pref Y fields. And now it almost works fine.
But there's a glitch because I've compared the player's top edge instead of the bottom one. Great, that's how it should be.
See you in the next episode.